Display helps you to use different e-smart modes provided on the bike such as throttle, cruise or pedal assist mode. Step 1. Check working of display unit. Press power button to check working of display unit. Step 2. Check the connectors. If the display is not working, first open the connector, check the pins, and if it is not broken, tighten the display connector and make sure that the arrows are in opposite direction. Step 3. Check the display. After connecting the connectors again, press the power button and check if the display is working. If the display still doesn't have any power, connect a new display unit to see if it works. We can now see that the new display is working fine, suggesting the old display unit is damaged and needs replacement. Step 4. Change the display if not working. To change the display, open it with the help of Allen key and replace it with the new one and tighten it, ensuring there is no movement. Step 5. Check the power in the display. Let's check the display one last time by switching between different modes.